Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to start new lesson from geography. Name of the lesson is Interior of Earth. We all know about the surface of the earth, but we are not even imagine about the inside of the earth. Isn't it, children? Very good. In this lesson, we are going to learn about interior of the earth, that is here inside of the earth. Are you clear, children? Very good. First, the structure of the earth may be compared to that of an apple. How can we compare an apple with the layers of the earth? We can do. The earth too has shells like that of an apple, so that we are comparing the structure of the apple with the earth's layers. Are you clear, children? Very good. Look at the picture. This is the structure of the apple. We all know that. So in apple, what is there in outside? It's known as skin. Isn't it, children? Very good. Outer part, which is there red color, we are called it as skin. And between having flesh part, isn't it? And then inside cover like structure is there, and then inside they are having seeds. Isn't it, children? Very good. So this structure is compared with the layers of the earth. Okay. If we compare these things with earth, earth also having the outer layer which is known as crust. And after that the part is known as mantle, which is compared with the flesh part of apple. Okay. And then cover like structure covering the seeds, known we call it as core. So we are called it as outer core, and apple we are having seeds like that we are having inside inner core in the earth. Are you clear, children? Very good. Now how the compare apple? So earth having the layer which is called crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. Okay. Next we are going to learn about interior of the earth. Earth is made up of different types of landform like plateaus, valleys, forest, flora, plains, and earth is called as blue planet. And 71% of earth is covered by water. Now come with me, let us go and see the interior of the earth. Our earth is made up of 3 concentric layers. They are, first one is crust, second one is mantle, third one is outer core, and finally inner core. Okay, are you clear, children? First we are going to learn about the crust. The crust is the outermost layer of the earth. Outermost layer is called crust. The surface part of the surface area of the land is continental crust, also known as shale layer, because it has main minerals constitutional of silica and aluminum. Okay. The underlayer of ocean is known as oceanic crust, also known as seama layer, because it comprising mainly of silica and magnesium. The next below the first is called mantle. Like a flesh part in the apple, it is separated from the crust by a boundary called Mohorovic discontinuity. This layer consists of 2 parts. First one is the upper mantle, second one is lower mantle. This region comprising 83% of the earth weight. This is the cross section of the earth. Look at this picture. Children, look like a cake. Look like a cake. This is the cross section of the earth. Between crust and mantle, 700 km is known as the asthenosphere. Asthenosphere. This part is in the form of magma. Magma, you know what is the magma? Irimalai Kulam. This is magma picture. The next innermost layer. Innermost layer of the earth is called the core. It is also known as barysphere. It's separated from the mantle by a boundary called Witchart-Gutenberg discontinuity. The core is also divided into two parts. The first one is outer core, which is rich in iron in a liquid state. The inner core composed of nickel and ferrous. There is solid state. So the center core very high temperature and pressure. Okay. Dear children, I hope you all understand this lesson clearly. Go through the lesson. Okay. Thank you children. Have a nice day.